Hi, today I will be showing you how to color calibrate your espresso display on a Windows PC or laptop. Let's begin. Before we begin, if you have a third-party calibration tool, make sure you visit the manufacturer's website and follow their instructions. Alright, let's begin. You will need to connect your espresso display to your PC or laptop and ensure that it is on and working. Go to the Start menu and type in Calibrate. There, you should see Calibrate Display Color pop up. This will take you to the calibration window. Drag this window to the screen you wish to calibrate. Proceed to follow the calibration process. When adjusting brightness and contrast, use the espresso display's on-screen controls. Your calibrated profile will be saved. To locate this profile, in the Start menu, search Color Management. Select the espresso display, and you should see the profile calibration you have just created. You can select it and click Set as Default Profile. Congratulations! You have successfully calibrated your espresso display to your Windows PC or laptop.